It's a shame that four-wheeler's not down here. That girl in the office told me they leave a four-wheeler down here to walk up there to clean the targets up. She didn't tell me there's a creek you gotta cross, but there's no four-wheeler, so I had to walk it, burn it up.
We're heading to Clinton House Plantation. Shoot on their 1,000-yard range today. The 1,000-yard range is actually the mile range also. You can shoot up to a mile, which is 1,760 yards. See if we can ding some steel at 1,000. See if I can't set up a camera on the 1,000-yard steel. I'll have to walk it. I know you can't drive anything to it. Whoever said you couldn't haul a rifle and all your shooting range stuff on a Harley, right?
Need to walk down range and cover the targets, and look what I'm into. I guess I got to go. Those flags, actually we got a wind, looks like about a 5-mile-per-hour wind coming from at our 3 o'clock. So I'm going to come over 3M way right and come up 26. There's 25. Right there is 26. M away. Let's take a shot, see if I can trace it, find out where it's hitting at. I'm not sure, but it looked like it might have hit low. Okay, the barrel's cool enough. I'm going to aim at the head and see if I see anything on this shit. I'm going to aim high to see if I see anything. Oh, it's low. I seen that. Okay, low and right. I need to come left 4.5 clicks. That's 1 MOA is 10 inches. Let me go come up 2 MOA. I did not see that one. Center mass. I'll come up 2 clicks and right 1 click. Let's see if I can get on. I'm still going to aim at the head of the target. I'm a little bit high, but I'm going to leave the elevation okay. I'm a little bit right there. So let's come back left. Come back left. Half MOA. Getting close. We're going to hit this thing. Once we're on it, might be able to stay on it. Ding! Ding! I'm on it. I don't know if you can hear that wind blowing. But I mean, we got a 10-mile-per-hour wind, but it comes and goes. Right beside the other. We are on it now. This is a 6.5 Creedmoor. That holder thingy, the star line, That boom button is a BR4. The Magic Dust is H4350. And the Freedom Seed is Hornady ELDMs 140s. Let's take another shot. Ding! I got my elevation perfect. Ding! So far I've shot 21 shells, and it took me, I think, 5 shots to get on it. The other 15, 16 have been on the target, have been hits. And I see they've got a 1 MOA target right beside the one I'm shooting, and I think I'm going to try to hit that. Ding! Goodness, my dogs are barking right now. Crossing that creek 4 times. Boots are absolutely set. I mean, I only walked 4,000 yards and had to cross a creek 4 times, right? That feels a lot better. I'll tell you what, that was fun. Shooting out to 1,000 yards. Took me 5 shots to get on the target without a spotter. That's pretty good. It was hard to see that round going down range though. I think I'm crazy talking. Much better. At least for now, until they soak all the water out of the shoe.